Hi guys, Megan off Leash Canine Boise. Meet Zuzu. Hi Zuzu. Zuzu is our newest 2-week board and train. She is a 3-year-old miniature Schnauzer. The owners bring her to us because they've had her for about 4 months and they have just absolutely fallen in love with her. Now, this is something we see quite a bit. Owners adopt a dog, they fall in love with them. Once they get them home and the dog is settled in, they notice some nuisance behaviors developing. We think this is a great time to start training with your dog because we want to make sure the dog has developed a bond with you, but they haven't had it long enough to actually develop bad behaviors. So with Zuzu, because she is almost 3, the owner's known that some of her behaviors are coming through from when she was a younger dog. So first and foremost, Zuzu is very social. She loves saying hi to everyone. She loves greeting other dogs. But when she's on leash, she'll pull pretty hard. She'll bark, and she'll just jump up on everyone. So we're going to work on a few things with her, but of course that heel command. Teaching Zuzu to walk nicely next to us, whether she's on or off leash, and teaching her that she needs to ignore distractions when she's in that formal heel. We're also going to be working on an off command, teaching her to keep her paws off. And then, like I mentioned, barking. We are going to be using the word quiet. Zuzu is a Schnauzer. She does like to bark, so quiet's going to be very important. The other things we're going to work on with Zuzu are going to be that place command. Place is going to be really nice for Zuzu, just to help give her some boundaries, to give her some spatial awareness in and around the home. The owner says she's a Velcro dog, so also creating some independence is going to be important for her. And lastly, the recall command. Zuzu's owner has a house set up to where she can let her out in the front yard. There's other dogs that come and play in her neighborhood. But right now she doesn't trust Zuzu. Zuzu will just take off running. She won't come back when called. So that recall command is going to be very important. We are so excited to work with her. You know how much we love Schnauzers, so make sure you stay tuned for her transformation. Good girls, you!